2 Minutes. My name is Christina and today we're going to look at essay introductions. An introduction is important because it's the first thing that your reader will see and it sets the tone for your essay. Many students don't really know what to put in their introductions, but by following these simple strategies, you can give your essay a strong start. As its name suggests, the purpose of your introduction is to introduce your essay. You want to make sure that you explain what your essay is going to be about. So, how do you do this? The most important thing to include in your introduction is a thesis statement. This is a sentence where you can set out your argument. Once you've done this, you can provide a brief overview of the points that you're going to use to back up your argument. Make sure that you sound authoritative and that you grab your reader's attention and make them interested in reading more. Remember, your introduction sets the tone for your essay. Some people find that if they write their introduction after they've written the body of their paper, it's much easier to write. The idea behind this is that it's easier to write an introduction when you actually know what you've already written. Try and see what works for you. So to recap, an introduction should lay out your argument and provide a brief overview of the points that you're going to be making. Don't forget your thesis statement. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to watch more videos and visit our website for more information.